Which polymer clay rolling machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, AUGSUN Acrylic Clay Roller. First up is the AUGSUN Acrylic Clay Roller, priced at just $6.95. What caught my attention was its solid design and transparent look. If you're looking for an essential tool for your DIY clay projects, this is worth a serious look. This roller has a solid cylindrical design and is made of sturdy acrylic, which means it won't easily break during your creative sessions. At 7.87 inches long and 0.79 inches in diameter, it's compact enough for easy handling yet effective for rolling out your clay evenly. The smooth surface ensures your clay won't stick, allowing for a hassle-free crafting experience. Plus, with over 1,400 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its simplicity and functionality. Here's the thing though, just a quick wash with soap and water does the job, so I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective roller without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features or if you want a machine instead of a manual tool. For under $7, it's a great value for casual crafters. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more comprehensive, the next option might be just what you need. Product number 2, DIY-OOHOMY 14-piece toolkit. Next up is the DIY-OOHOMY 14-piece toolkit, priced at $9.99. This caught my eye because it includes a variety of tools, making it a solid all-in-one kit for beginners and seasoned creators alike. If you want a complete set to kickstart your polymer clay journey, this is definitely worth considering. This kit comes with 2 solid acrylic rollers, 4 thickness rings, and a slew of cutting tools, which means you can create everything from intricate jewelry to larger sculptures. The thickness rings are especially handy for ensuring uniformity in your clay sheets, which is crucial if you want professional results. Plus, it has over 895 reviews and maintains a 4.6-star rating, showing that many find it reliable for their crafting needs. Some users mentioned that the included tools might feel a bit flimsy. Here's my take. For the price and variety, I think it's a small trade-off, especially if you're just starting and want a range of options. This is perfect for you if you're new to polymer clay and want a variety of tools to experiment with. Skip this one if you're only interested in a high-end roller or if you need a machine for heavier-duty projects. For around $10, it's a fantastic deal for anyone looking to get serious about crafting. Now, if you're after more professional-grade options, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 3, DIY-OOHOMY 12-piece cutter kit. The third product is another from DIY-OOHOMY, their 12-piece cutter kit, priced at $8.99. I found this one intriguing due to its comprehensive set of tools tailored for sculpting and shaping. If you want a focused kit for detailed projects, keep this on your radar. The rollers give you the ability to create smooth sheets, while the cutters allow for precise shapes and designs. With over 1,600 reviews and also a 4.6-star rating, this kit has clearly impressed many users. However, some people found the instructions a bit lacking, which can be frustrating if you're not already familiar with using these tools. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward to use. This is perfect for you if you're focused on crafting detailed pieces like earrings or miniatures. Skip this one if you prefer a more general-purpose tool set or if you're looking for something that comes with guided instructions. At under $9, it's a solid investment for your creative projects. Now, if you're serious about mixing and blending your clay, the next product is a game changer. Product number 4, Foifat Clay Press Machine. Fourth on the list is the Foifat Clay Press Machine, priced at $28.19. I was drawn to its potential for flattening and mixing clay with ease. If you're looking for a tool that can streamline your clay preparation, this one is worth a look. This machine allows you to flatten clay into even sheets and can even mix colors together, which is super helpful for achieving those unique shades. With 6 thickness settings, you can easily adjust to your desired consistency, whether it's for thin accents or thicker embellishments. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and won't rust. Even though it has a lower rating of 4 stars from 379 reviews, many users still find it reliable for their projects. Some complaints revolve around the fact that it's not electric, which could be a drawback for those looking for an automated solution. But I'll be real with you, the manual operation allows for more control, and I think that's a big plus. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with color mixtures and need a reliable tool for creating smooth clay sheets. Skip this one if you strictly want an electric option or if you're working on smaller projects. For its versatility, it's a good value. Finally, if you want something that really elevates your crafting experience, the last product on our list might be your best bet. Product number 5, Mackins USA Ultimate Clay Machine. Last but not least, we have the Mackins USA Professional Ultimate Clay Machine, priced at $49.99. This caught my attention for its professional-grade features and durability. If you're looking for a high-quality tool that can handle serious crafting, this is a solid investment. The stainless steel construction means it's built to last, and the included table clamp ensures stability while you work. With a 4.4-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among serious crafters. However, the price point may be a bit high for beginners who are still figuring out their crafting style. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to your craft, this machine will serve you well for years to come. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced crafter looking for a reliable and efficient tool. Skip this one if you're just starting out or if budget is your main concern. For a long-term investment, it's well worth it. To wrap it up, we checked out 5 fantastic polymer clay rolling machines. The AUGSUN roller is great for beginners. The DIY kits offer versatile tools. The Foyfet machine excels in mixing, and the Mackins machine is a powerhouse for serious crafters. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so think about what fits your needs best.